gentlemen. James Tracy, Land Use Council for Federal Materials. I was not going to comment this morning, but as usual, I heard something that I think is required for me to bring to your attention. Several individuals have spoken this morning about a purported rezone for Iron Mountain. Now, without taking a position on Iron Mountain, I think it's important that the record of this meeting reflect that an MRL is not a rezone. You know that, but unfortunately the folks who were testifying to you don't. That's a factual problem. It was not corrected in this meeting, so these folks could leave here thinking that they were correct, that this is in fact a rezone. And it is in fact appropriate to be commenting to you about a rezone during this time period, which of course it's not. Commissioner Austin has, in past public comment sessions, made that very point to people who are talking about Iron Mountain. The board is participating in a huge confusion with its own citizens about the process for considering land use decisions. Your Unified Development Code has within it a orderly, precise, specific process for the consideration of these decisions. Some of those decisions you are involved in, the Type 4 legislative decision. And I'm not here to give you a seminar on the UDC. The point being is that allowing testimony here that will come on an issue that will ultimately come before you down the line during the official process without notice to the adverse parties, the issue is going to be considered here, creates a problem for you legally, which I won't go into. You know what the problem is as well as I do, due process and equal protection, but also creates this huge confusion on the part of citizens that things aren't working out the way they're supposed to. And I think the board really needs to be more affirmative and more forthcoming in its explanation to the public when they approach you about these issues, about what the appropriate process is, why it's important for these very individuals to make sure that they participate in that process so that their testimony is in fact on the record. I mean, this is just a matter of fundamental fairness and responsible, reasonable decision making, no matter what your position is on the issue. So I would really encourage you to in your discourse with citizens individually, in your corporate representation of the approval process in Jefferson County, that you inform people about, despite your policy of not responding in this particular meeting, that you make some efforts to try and be crystal clear about the process, the opportunity for participation, and your role, whatever it might be in that particular decision. Thank you.